Welcome to Pete Waits' Plate and other cool stuff.
Hey Pete, how are you today?
Good.
Good. So tell us what we're going to be doing today.
We're going to be building a Reese's Pieces dump truck.
Oh, dude, that is awesome.
And guess what?
What?
It's 271 pieces.
Is that a lot? Yep. Have you ever built anything with that many pieces? Oh, cool. Why don't you tell everybody where you got it?
I got it from my papa and Yama for my birthday. My birthday was like a week ago.
Right. And how old are you?
8.
8 years old. All right. Well, why don't we dig in and see what it's all about?
Yeah. I need help opening it. Whoa. That is big.
Wow, that's a lot of
I
pieces.
found the instructions.
All right. We're definitely going to need those.
Wait, I thought it was orange. But look, it's yellowish orange.
I don't know. Look, got a lot of these pieces. They look like they are going to be orange. There's some yellow.
But why on this it looks like orange or like light orange, and this looks dark like regular?
Well, probably because this is just a regular dump truck. Let's see.
Oh yeah.
Yep, it's just a regular dump truck.
With Reese's on it.
Yeah, with Reese's on the side. But you are going to be doing the Reese's dump truck. Wow, that's awesome. All right, so we have our first bag. Why don't we go ahead and empty it out, and we can start separating the blocks into sizes that are similar. Okay.
The biggest?
Yep, sure, that'll work. Wow, that's a lot of pieces.
Okay, I'm gonna put the tires here.
Okay.
How many tires are there? I thought there were supposed to be 4.
There's more on the dump truck, I guess.
Whoa. Let me count the tires. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Yep, 6.
Okay. Okay. Then next we're gonna do this one because it's thin. I'm gonna stack them. Grab them at the same time. Put them here, here. Wait, I got the wrong one. Okay.
That's all right.
Next, we're gonna do these 2.
Yep.
Then next, these.
Let's space them out just a little bit so that we can have them all in different piles and we know what we're looking for, okay?
Oh, it made a big one.
Yep.
It looked like a big one.
It did, didn't it?
Okay, and then that. And next, we're gonna do these. And then this. Oh.
All right, Pete, it looks like you have separated some of the pieces.
Okay, I'm gonna put the tires over here so we don't mix them.
Yep. Well, maybe we can go ahead and start.
Building?
Yep. See if we can build some of this.
Okay. I think these pieces go here because they look like hammers and it's funny. See,
Yeah, they do.
okay, that's where
I think that's where the wheels go.
yeah. The wheels are right there.
Yep.
Oh.
So we're making a little bit of progress.
Yeah, he was still on the first page.
Yep, that's okay. It looks like we just finished the first page. Hold it up, let me see. Wow.
Looks like a lot like a dump truck. Is this the front or this is the front?
Oh, that's the back. Let's see. I think
this
you
is the
had.
back. Okay, so it's bigger in the back.
Yeah, you have more wheels in the back.
Yeah.
Yep.
This piece right here.
You're right.
Hey, it's
Did it
making
go in there? Did it go in?
Yeah.
Awesome.
It makes a T.
Yeah, it does.
14 times go.
Yay.
Now it looks like a shovel.
It really does.
Dirt. It's very good. I'm kidding. It's right here.
Right there.
Ow, ow, it hurt. This might be hurting the truck a lot. I think it's gonna explode after we talk.
Oh no, we don't want to explode.
We worked so hard. It's been a couple of hours, like 1 hour. This is how far I've got. I'm on page 4. No, 9.
Yeah, we're moving along. You got it?
Oh no.
Need some help?
I'll hold the camera for you. got hit by a bus.
There he goes.
I got hit by a bus.
Just like that. All right, now the other one. You'll skip 2 and then
the third one.
Yeah.
Got it. Oh, God, come on. My fingers.
It's okay. You're good.
My fingers are really sticky.
Oh, this is tough.
Right there.
Can we get it? I don't know if we can get it.
Man straight.
Oh, yay, we got it. Celebration. All right, what is that you got there?
It's the front of the truck, Daddy. I think it goes here.
Can I see it? Let's see. Oh, it is. Look at it. Awesome. Oh, it's really starting to look like a truck now.
Oh, snap.
That's what we wanted to do. We wanted to snap.
I meant oh snap because it fell. I thought it broke. But we're fine. Now it's looking like a truck.
It is looking like a truck. Look at that.
Truck wheel.
Ah, cool. Right. Time to do the steering wheel.
Kids, it looks like a fan. Family.
It really does, doesn't it?
Family. It's just a hard steering wheel. There we go.
You got it?
Last time I spin it.
Whoa.
Don't spin it too hard, it could fall off. Whoa, baby shark.
You driving somewhere?
Into the sky I go! I'm Mary Poppins!
Alright.
The wheels are my
Getting the tires on.
Push it! There you go. I need to put it here, baby.
Yep, it
This
goes.
part right here.
It should click on.
Okay, I'm looking at the box too much. Just make sure. Can you hold it?
You got it.
But there you go.
There you go.
The first wheel done.
Alright. There's a second wheel. Put it on the front.
Here. I think I got it. No.
It's got a click. There you go.
Now it can drive a little.
Oh, yeah. Well, let's get the other wheels. Alright, you have to be very careful. Let's put the dump truck together.
I
You can do it. I have all the confidence in the world in you, buddy.
think I did it.
You think so?
I got
Let's see. Alright, let go.
Yeah.
Whoa!
That's
how you let all the stuff out.
Yeah, I open it.
Yep, you open it up.
Let's do it.
Wow.
Okay.
Dude, you finished your truck.
Look. Bye-bye, trash. Uh-oh, it's stuck. Okay.
You gotta lift it up.
Goodbye.
There it goes.
No more garbage. Yay. I am Mary Poppins.
That's awesome. You finished your dump truck, Pete.
And it only took more than 1 hour.
Yeah.
And this is only not for children under 5 years old.
That's right. Let's see if it looks. Hold the box up to it. Let's see how close it looks.
Oh.
Wow. You did a good job, buddy. Look at that.
I'm gonna spin it
That is awesome.
so you can look at all the parts.
All right, Pete. So what did you think about putting together this Lego Reese's truck?
Good. I give it a zillion stars. Thanks for watching my videos. Don't forget to subscribe, and we'll have more videos soon. Bye. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Bye.